With the severe weather and flooding that we've experienced this week, property insurance has likely been top of mind for a lot of people. According to S&P Global Market data, homeowners can expect to see their insurance premiums rise significantly this year. Here to tell us the best ways to navigate all of this is insurance expert and attorney Weston. Thanks so much for being here.
Thanks so much for having me.
So why are insurance premiums expected to go up so much?
Well, it would be nice to say that it's limited to the insurance companies losing money and then they have to pass those losses on to homeowners. But unfortunately, those companies are still making a ton of money. Insurance companies typically make over $300 billion in profit a year. And any money that they happen to take in the way of losses, they just pass that on to the consumers and unfortunately sometimes make us suffer.
Wow, and so that's what's to blame then for these rising rates?
I think that the insurance companies are taking this opportunity to just increase prices like we've seen with a lot of the products that we buy, and the rates are just going nothing but up. We've been speaking here in Florida, where I live and practice. I spoke yesterday in Alabama and today for Grand Rapids, and we're seeing this all across the country. Anywhere from 7% up to 60% increase in rates.
Wow, that is significant. What are some tips? What can we do to lower our property insurance rates?
Well, the first thing we recommend is try to stick with the insurance company that you're already happy with. So go to your carrier or the agent and see if they'll maybe negotiate the price. Another option is to compare rates of competitors. But one caveat, one warning that we give to our clients is to make sure that you compare apples for apples rates. So it's one thing to say, well, this premium happens to be less. It's another thing to consider maybe what's excluded or what's not included in with that carrier. Another thing we recommend is for consumers to do everything possible to increase their credit scores. In the majority of the states in the United States, companies are allowed to increase the premiums for consumers if they have a lower credit score. So if your credit score goes up, your premiums should go down.
Okay. If we need more information, where can people turn?
A lot of times we obviously go to these different insurance companies and get a quote, but it's very important also to go to websites such as Moody's to check the quality score for those insurance companies. So for consumers, it's a tough balancing act to balance the cheapest quote, but also with the best company.
All right, good. Well, great information. We really appreciate your insight today. Thanks so much.
Thanks for having me.
We have a big warm-up ahead. In fact, we could hit our first 75-degree day. Typically, we see that around April 17th, so pretty close on